Welcome back. Our objective for this episode is to build the roofs of the house. Let's move to the top of the beam view. Considering our drawings are already attached, for this episode I'm going to skip showing how to link the CAD file. You can check the previous episode for this information. Moving on, let's set the view to a wireframe and change the view range. This section to view the top of the roof, while this section is for viewing the second floor wall. Let's start working on the roofs. Let's make the boundary. As you see, there are 4 defined slopes on the roofs. To remove the 2 sides, let's select the boundary and uncheck this defined slope. Moving to section view, as you can see there are large differences between the model and the drawing. Let's determine the slope of the drawing. We measure 26 degrees. As you can see in the model, the unit is an English unit. Let's change it here in Project Unit Tools. After the changes, let's set it to 26 degrees slope. So, 100 mm is the thickness of the roof, while the fascia is 250 mm. Let's adjust the thickness of the roof to 100 mm, and align the roof to the drawing. Before we move to fascia, let's do the roof soffit. Let's do half of the soffit. Make sure to create a slope. Change the specification to slope and set it to 26 degrees. I guess we need to set the slope to negative to align in the right direction. Let's align it to the drawing. Make a copy using our mirror tool. Let's fix this overlap. Now we can move to fascia. Let's attach the wall to the roof. First, select the perimeter wall. Press this icon and select the roof to attach automatically. Now, let's adjust the specs of the fascia to align to the drawing. Let's set the thickness to 30 mm and 250 mm for the depth. Changing the profile. This is the nearest measurement for 30 by 250 mm. Also, let's change the specs of our soffit. Our standard measurement for ceiling is 50 mm including the channel, so let's set this 50. Let's set this for both soffit. Moving to the canopy, let's apply a similar methodology we previously did. Let's have a similar slope from our roof. To verify the slope of the canopy, let's check from our drawing. So, in the front canopy the slope is 26 degrees, while the rear canopy is 30 degrees. Let's modify the type and the height of the canopy. As you can see, there's a conflict between our canopy and windows. This is a separate topic which covers clash detection and clash report. Let's ignore this for now. Moving on to the rear canopy. Let's set the slope to 30 degrees as per measurement previously. Apply the same methodology, modify the type and the height. Let's attach the fascia and roof ceiling. I think this is a bug from our rear canopy. Let's fix it. Thank you for watching. If you learned something, please smash that like button. If you have any questions, please leave your comment. We have a lot to talk about. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video update to our series. See you on the next one. Bye.